three graces were goddesses of gracefulness, the charm of beauty, and the cheerful amusement. They were known as the three Charis.
I am Charis, daughter of Aphrodite and Eurydice. I am the goddess of nature, beauty, charm, human creativity, and fertility.
In Greek mythology, they were seen as simple guardian of vernal sweetness and beauty of nature, and the only later as the friends and protectors of everything graceful and beautiful. They arrive as the earth is blossoming to encourage a flood of creativity that leads to excellence. This is Charis, goddesses of charm, beauty, nature, human creativity,